Dog want muscles. Dog want zoomies power. Dog not eat 500 chickens a day.
Oh no!
Yet. Dog use peanut butter whey protein. What is whey? Whey is milk juice left behind after cheese party. Cheese go to pizza, whey go to gym. Inside whey equals tiny muscle treats called protein. Peanut butter flavor makes dog tail wag. Vanilla flavor? Dog dig hole and bury tub. How it works. Dog drink whey, whey go belly, belly break whey into tiny amino puppers. Amino puppers sprint to muscles. Muscles bark, "Thank you!" Then grow big like guard dog.
Oh, yeah.
When to take it. After fetch or gym, muscles hungry, begging like puppy eyes. In morning, if no bacon or kibble. Maybe before gym if dog too lazy to chew real food. But dog not drink whey 7 times a day. Unless dog want nuclear farts. How it's made. Cow make milk, humans steal milk. Rude. Humans spin it super fast, like dog chasing tail tornado. Cheese one way, whey the other. Then whey gets dried like desert bone. Boom, powder, magic tub. Peanut butter fairy add flavor. Types of whey. Whey concentrate. Some sugar, some fat, taste like snack. Whey isolate. Less sugar, more protein. Lean, mean pupper fuel. Whey hydrolyzed, pre-chewed by science. Expensive, but fast, like Greyhound Zoom. Extra dog tips. Whey equals safe. Not steroid, won't turn dog into werewolf overnight. 1 to 2 scoops fine. Too much equals poop smells like crime scene kennel. Best friends, whey plus water or milk. Worst enemy, whey plus overthinking.